gonna go in the outtakes.
Hey?
It's gonna go out in the outtakes.
It's got, isn't it?
Yeah. Hi guys, how you doing? Me and Jordan here in his Subaru WRX. We are going to Brands Hatch. What's the event called again?
TUNERFEST.
TUNERFEST.
TUNERFEST today.
Now I've never been to a TUNERFEST. The last event we went to was Snetterton.
Yeah, that was
I
good.
like to call it Snetterton.
When was that? Was that last year?
Yeah, last year I think.
It was good. It was good. But yeah, we're with was it the JDM versus the World Club? JDM versus the World.
I think so, mate. Yeah.
Got a couple of cars behind us. A little BMW that keeps sitting up my arse.
There's a little convoy going on up here. We've got a 135 up our arse.
Yeah.
400.
410. I think
410. Well, how much is 10 more than yours? How much is that?
100 more than one.
100 more than Jules.
Yeah.
Oh mate, you've come a long way in this car, haven't you?
Yeah.
From getting it, how long have you had it now?
Like a year and a half now. About a year and a half.
Yeah.
But you've always been in it with me. You've always like enjoyed driving it, enjoyed coming out in the car.
Mate, I fucking love it.
Yeah, it's good. It's a good car, man.
Sorry for the language.
Don't worry about swearing. It doesn't matter.
You drive it so well, though, don't you?
I do drive it well.
You drive it. If I keep saying to you, you drive it well.
This is going to be a bit of a funny video because Daddy's a bit of a character. So, and we're probably going to upload this as well as just a fucking raw file. No fucking around.
Raw.
No shitty editing. All of that crap. But we'll try and get some footage throughout the day like, as well. We'll try and like, I might give you the GoPro and get some like footage of walking around because I've got to get pictures and stuff as well. And I might get you to like do some filming with the GoPro and then we can put it on with a video for the YouTube and that.
Whatever you want me to do, mate, I'll help you.
Yeah.
I'll help you.
But yes, it's Daddy's first car show. Proper car show.
Second.
Oh, it's second, isn't it? Yeah, you've done Snetterton, yeah. Actually, yeah, I keep forgetting about that. We're on our way to Brands Hatch now. We're what, 2 minutes away, maybe?
Weather's looking, you know what, it's warm out there. But it's going to be a little bit slippery underfoot.
Yes. We'll try and film some of the time attack racing as well. See, last time I come here...
Are you going on track?
No. Last time I come here, the queue was like this far back. Like we was queuing up all in this.
But did you get here this early? Getting here early today.
I think I got here a little bit after 7.
Yeah.
So entry's like 7 o'clock. But yeah, so
we're on a stand today.
Yeah, the JDM versus the World one. So yeah, it might be a bit of a funky video, a little bit of an interesting video today. I'll try and get Danny on the videos more often today. I might even do one of you driving and me being a passenger.
Mate, do it.
I keep saying to...
I always find it interesting though, when you're sat as a passenger in your own car, it's a strange feeling.
Yes.
It's a very strange feeling, isn't it?
Yeah, anytime I've been a passenger in this, like, because you're the only one that pretty much drives here. But yeah, anytime I'm a passenger, it's weird for me. I'm like, whoa, I'm a passenger.
See you, Browns, boys.
See that?
See Browns.
Still BMW. Yeah, not right, yeah. But yeah, anyway, so the next little clip will be just some footage of like throughout the day. We'll try and film as much as we can. It's going to be raining, so we might not be able to get out too much.
We're not ending it there. Jordan, how long you had the car for, man?
No, we need to sneak off.
You've done a lot now.
I need to talk to you. Okay, off.
So Jordan doesn't know who I'm recording this, but he's had this car since I think January last year, and he fucking saved hard for it. And he always went to me, Daddy, I want a Subaru. Daddy, I want a Subaru, and it meant a lot to him as well. He always used to want one when he was a kid, and this car's got a big connection to him and his granddad. It gets me a bit emotional really, because he's such a good lad. He works hard, he provides a lot for his family, he wants to do well for everyone, and this car has allowed him to have a project, something to focus on, something to just call his own and enjoy. And he's, from getting it in January last year to seeing it now, the amount of work and effort he's put into this car, he's doing all his own work, he's YouTubed everything, he's researched, studied how to sort things out on the car, how to do his own thing. So he hasn't gone to any garages. Yeah, he's gone to a few places like North Kent Subaru and a few other, done a few other visits to other places, but most of the time it's all self-taught, and he's done so much work to this car, and it just looks completely different to when he first had it. And yeah, I'm just so proud of him, and obviously he takes great care in his car, and you can tell he loves it and he cares for it, and obviously there's a family connection there, and obviously he's called it William after his granddad, and it's probably one of those cars where he'll never sell it. I don't think he'll ever sell it, but yeah, it's great. I love being out in it. He drives it so well, and hopefully everyone will be able to appreciate the car today at Brands Hatch on the stand, understand the story behind it, and it's nice. It's a nice personal touch to it as well. So yeah, anyway, I'm signing off.